This Align Right Realty South Shore property video is presented by Ohmaira Cabrera. Pictures are post-hurricane. This condo is currently undergoing restoration due to recent hurricane, offering a unique opportunity to customize and make it your own. Appliances, including the hot water heater and AC unit, are still under warranty, providing peace of mind for future repairs or replacements. The restoration process is being professionally managed, ensuring that the property will be brought back to its full potential. Ideal for those looking for a fresh start in a resilient and safe environment, this condo combines security with the chance to be part of an awesome community. For more information, review the details below or contact Ohmaira Cabrera at 813-520-2166.